to create new account on Mobile Legends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Mobile Legends. As you can see, I already have this account. So, what I can do is open Play Store, search Parallel Space, then open this app. After you open this app, in here, you will find this kind of screen. Click on Add App in here. After you click on Add App, it will lead you to this page. Here, simply click on Mobile Legends and click on Add to Parallel Space. And after you do this, you can click on Mobile Legends in here. It will open a new Mobile Legends app. After it opens the app, it will start like anew. Now you can add your username, your country, and press on OK. Select your hero, confirm. After that, your account will be created. This is how to create new account on Mobile Legends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.